How to fix and solve you can't link your partner on Flow app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know how can you fix you can't link your partner on the Flow app. So if you're having this sort of issue, then you could always try the steps. Now first of all, you need to check whether you enable the partner feature within the app or not. Now when you're actually creating your account, and at the very first steps, you'll be able to see have a partner code. You just have to go ahead and type in that code and you'll be able to link them as soon as you've created your account. However, when you've reached to this part, or when you've actually got to this part, what next you want to do is you just have to go to your profile, and then you want to go ahead and navigate to the partners tab and click on link your partner. Once you do it, so you'll be able to link them using a unique code. However, if you're unable to do it so after you enter in the code as well, then you could always try these steps. First thing first, check your update. So updating your application or outdated version can lead to this sort of issue. So go to your Play Store and App Store and type in Flow on the search box, and then you want to select Flow, and here if you see update, then you have to go ahead and update your application. That should be able to solve your issue all at once. If not, you could try this another step, that is you want to long press the Flow application and then go to this app info icon, and once you have gone to this page, you want to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as storage. However, this is going to delete your data, but then you could go ahead and restore it as well, after which you want to log into your account, and that should be able to fix it as well. That's not the case, you could also try restarting your device. That can be able to help you out in order to link your partner on the Flow app. So these are some of the common and quick tips in order to fix and solve your issue in the Flow app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.